Let's be honest, during this time of the year, we wear more blinks. Some of us might not like it, some of us might enjoy it just like me, alright? So if you're not a lover of blinks, I assure you, you will still see something that you will like in this outfit that I'm about to share today. Welcome back. How you all doing today? Thank you all ladies for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. I want to use this time to say happy holiday once again to you all. I hope you all enjoy your family time, you have fun with friends and family, be safe out there, and may the Lord continue to bless you. May we experience a new and a wonderful prosperous New Year's in Jesus' name. Thank you all so much for stopping by once again today. Today's video I'm going to be featuring holiday outfit idea, party outfit. As usual, all these outfits are shot from my closet. I didn't purchase anything new. Everything I'm featuring, they are from my closet. Things I've owned in the past. I don't maintain things that I have very well. This that I'm wearing, I've owned it for, it's Michael Kors, and I don't even think they have this collection anymore. It's been, I don't know, I think it's more than 7 years. I'm not gonna lie to you, that I've owned it, and it's still looking very good. I paired it with a leggings that I purchased randomly in the store like years ago. My intention with this leggings was to wear it under something when it's cold, so I don't get too cold. But now I'm wearing it to feature this top. It's amazing how fashion works. All right, when I saw it, when I was going through things to bring out and I stumbled upon it in my closet, I was like, oh, I could use it to pair that sweater from Michael Kors, which is the one I'm wearing now. All right ladies, I don't want to blab too much. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video. Which one of the outfits is your favorite, and please do like this video, and you can share with families and friends too. They might find it interesting or entertaining. So here is the first outfit. This top, like I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this top is by Michael Kors. I've owned it for over 7 years now. Of course I do maintain it, that's why it's looking still good. This is Michael Kors, and the bracelet is by Coach. My shoes are by Michael Kors as well. I've worn them for years before. I featured them on this channel before. For people that have been following for a while, they might have seen it before, and it's still looking very, very clean, silver purse, and we are ready to go. If it's too cold, you can just put on your coat on top of it and you'll be good to go. And here is outfit number 2. There's a mini dress. This dress is by Guess. I bought it a long time ago, but from a thrift store. But it was brand new. It has the tag on it when I purchased it. So it's been a long time too, and this is actually my first time wearing it. This is one of the shoes I featured. And of course, I'm going to be carrying this purse. This purse, you can carry it in like a crossbody, but for the purpose of this outfit, I'm going to be carrying it like this. And this is from this is Versace, all right? I completely forgot the brand, and I featured this one too before in one of my videos. This, depending on where you're going, you know, each outfit calls for different occasion. You dress according to where you're going. So depending on where you're going, that will determine what you're going to wear. Too cold, you can change your shoe to something else, maybe a knee-high boots, or depending on your preference, then you put on your coat on it and you'll be great. Is the third one. I figured I can add this to it. This was the one I wore this year. I purchased this one this year in April during my birthday, and this outfit is from Temo, and this is the second time I'll be wearing it because I didn't really have anywhere to go. So, and I pair with shoe by Michael Kors. Also, I switch up my jewelry to silver just to match the detailing on my shoe, which is silver accessories. That's a silver hardware. It's what is on my shoes, so I chose to change my accessories to silver as well. This necklace is giving, right? And the earring. Don't forget ladies, I mentioned you dress according to the occasion, okay? All right, so this is the next one, and this one is by Fashion Nova. I've worn it too for a very long time in my closet. Of course, that's the purse I'm going to be pairing it with, and this is the shoe that I paired it with, and this is how this one is looking. So I went ahead and switched my shoe to the boots. Also, I'm carrying the same purse that I featured before. We dress according to the occasion, ladies. Depending on where you're going, that will determine what you're going to. Here's the next outfit. This is also by Fashion Nova. I've owned it in my closet for a while. I've not worn it before. This is the first time I'm trying it on. Of course, I paired it with this shoe, and also I'm going to be pairing with this purse. I didn't switch up my jewelry. Perfect for this outfit. Here is the next outfit. This one is also by Guess. I've worn it in a while. Like, it's just good to know how to maintain your stuff and keep your stuff and make them look like they are brand new. So look at the detailing on the side. It's really beautiful. It has it on this side too. You can pair with this, or you can pair with boots and coats, and you'll be good to go with a scarf, depending on where you're going. Simple and easy style. All these outfits are from Miss Blinks. She's on Instagram. She's a black-owned entrepreneur. So I've owned this too for a very long time. I purchased it on her website like some years ago, and I'm pairing it with a new shoe by Fashion Nova. This next outfit is by Rotita. I've featured them on this channel before. It's one of the PR package I got from them, and I really love it. It's very classy. Look at how beautiful that is. It's so chic. And I'm going to pair it with this purse by Michael Kors. Shoes by Michael Kors. Remember, ladies, we dress according to the occasion where you're going to. This outfit will be very appropriate for nights, for clubbing. If you're the type that you club or you want to go to a night party, this is the kind of outfit you will wear. This is not going to be appropriate for daylight kind of gathering. You will get the gist. So ladies, always remember, we dress according to the occasion. And this is a jumpsuit by Express. I've worn it for a very long time too, and it's still golden, it's still shining, it's still fitting. Why not? Alright ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and once again I wish you all happy holidays. Be safe out there. See you all in my next video. Should I say happy new year in advance? Bye for now ladies.